The nature of mutation. Geneticists rely heavily on the occurrence of mutations for genetic analysis. Although the genetic studies provide information about genetic mutations, none of the studies was specifically designed to elucidate the molecular basis of mutation or the mechanisms of genetic change. Two types of mutations exist: gene mutation and chromosome mutation. Gene mutation involves any one of a number of changes in the deoxyribonucleic acid sequences at a specific locus. Chromosome mutation involves a change in the organization of a chromosome or chromosomes. Any mutation away from a wild-type allele is considered a forward mutation. A mutation back from the wild-type allele is called a reverse mutation. And that is the nature of mutation. Have a great day.